All right, January 10th, 24. Winter has arrived. We got a bunch of snow. Last couple days, I'm up a free hike checking some of my traps, marten and bobcat sets. And I've already picked up one marten today. Actually picked me up a badger too, which is kind of strange. About 4,800 feet up in the mountains. A badger. Would have never thought that. Looks like I got me another little pine marten in there. He's just kind of hanging out, seeing what's happening. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy here dispatched, and I had a bunch more traps yet, and it's getting later in the day, so I've got to hurry up and get these traps taken care of. So Mountain Man Larry will be back with you later.